Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate NordVPN affiliate links for cybersecurity channels, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate NordVPN affiliate links for your cybersecurity channel, begin by visiting the official NordVPN website. Scroll to the bottom of the homepage and locate the affiliate link. Click on the affiliate link to access the affiliate program page. Here, you will find detailed information about the NordVPN affiliate program and its benefits. Look for the Join Now or Sign Up button and click on it. You will be redirected to the registration form for new affiliates. Fill in all required fields, including your name, email address, and promotional method. Be sure to select YouTube channel as your primary traffic source. Review the terms and conditions of the affiliate program before proceeding. After filling out the form, submit your application for approval. You will receive a confirmation email once your application is reviewed. Check your email for further instructions on how to access your affiliate dashboard. Log into your NordVPN affiliate dashboard using the credentials in your email. Once inside the dashboard, locate your unique affiliate links. Choose the type of link you want to create, such as banners or direct links. Copy your affiliate link to use in your video descriptions. Take advantage of NordVPN's promotional assets available in the dashboard. This includes banners, logos, and content guidelines for your channel. Plan your content to highlight the benefits of using NordVPN. Incorporate your affiliate link into your video descriptions clearly. Make sure to disclose that your links are affiliate links for transparency. Track your clicks and conversions through your affiliate dashboard. Adjust your promotional strategies based on the performance metrics you observe. Continuously engage with your audience and provide valuable information about cybersecurity and privacy. Promote NordVPN during discussions on VPNs and cybersecurity tools in your videos. Stay updated with any promotions or changes in the affiliate program to optimize your efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.